Well, happy Saturday. This is Social Tony, and I'm going to do some cooking today. So I'm going to make what we call Buckeyes. To some of you, it's called peanut butter balls. So stay tuned and see how it turns out. Well, I've got my ingredients. I have my powdered sugar. I've got my chocolate chips. I got some butter, and of course, as always, it wouldn't be peanut butter balls or Buckeyes without peanut butter. So let's get started. All right, here's my butter. And next goes my 2.5 cups of, cup and a half of peanut butter and 2.5 cups of powdered sugar. So stay tuned, see what comes up next. And you stir it up real good so you can form the peanut butter ball. So now I've formed these little nuggets of peanut butter balls and powdered sugar and butter, and now I'm going to put them in the freezer for about 20 minutes or until firm. So, and after that, we're going to go ahead and melt our chocolate chips, and we'll start dipping. So stay tuned. And here we go into the freezer for 20 minutes. Get it back there. There we go. Next is going to be great. So, lesson learned, don't use chocolate chips. So get baking chips, melting wafers. Works great. So I'm finishing up here. Let me show you what I'm doing. So the last three. Here's what I've done so far. I'm about out of chocolate. I don't want to open another bag. Just dip and bingo. Enjoy.